Okay, so this is Augusto Magana with Standard Rock, working right here at Summit Sierra, and we're working with this retaining wall, which is 15 feet tall on the deepest spot or tallest spot, and this is a Redi-Rock from Precast. We're building this retaining wall, which is 185 feet long this way and 90 feet wide this way. We got this wall, which is pretty tall. You can see 15 feet, and this needs some preparation before setting the blocks. We got 1 foot of drained rock underneath the block, and it's compacted and vibroplated so it can stand for the weight of the wall and retain the material on the back as well. These blocks are pretty easy to work with. They have 2 balls on top, or 2 nipples as we call them, and they help out to set up the next block and stagger the next one on top. These blocks, they're pretty easy to use. We're using right here excavator, caterpillar, and fabric, and just a chain to move them around. We only need like around 3 guys to work with these blocks, and the process is pretty simple. You pick them up, set them down, and once you have them set up, you're gonna add some drain rock on the back for the water, and you put a drain pipe on the back along with the block, and then you're good to stagger the next block. And once you have one stagger on top of the other one, you put a piece of fabric on the back, and you keep going on layers. You can set 2 rows, keep going, or you can stagger all the way 5 and keep going. It depends on your job site, how things work, and how much room you got up there.